5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 9 into left 9. 80. Left 7, stay in. And right 6 off camber. Repeat, left 7, stay in, and right 6 off camber. 80. Left 8. And right 8 ends over small crest. 50. Be right 8 ends over small crest. 50. Flat left over crest, line 100 down narrows. Care brake, left 5 plus narrows. Repeat, line 100 down narrows. Care brake, left 5 plus narrows. It's gonna be slippy. Left 5 plus narrows here. 30 up over crest. And flat right over crest. 30. Care, crest, left 7. Into, care, crest, left 7. Into right 7, tightens. And left 8, don't cut over small crest. Repeat, left 8, don't cut over small crest. And right 8. And flat left, 50 up. Right 8 over crest, 30. Repeat, right 8 over crest, 30. Keep mid over crest down, right 5 tightens. Repeat, mid over crest down, right 5 tightens. And left 6 half long, tightens at junction. Repeat, left 6 half long, tightens at junction. And opens. Flat left, tightens at the junction and then opens. And flat left, into crest and right 8. Half long. 30. So right 8 half long here. 30.
What's this?
Right 5 half long, excuse me.
Okay.
30. Right 7, stay in over kick short. Into left 7. 50.
Very slippery.
Keep mid over jump maybe. Into small crest. And stay mid over 2 crests. Right 9 over crest down. And right 8 over crest. We right 9 over crest down and right 8 over crest. And mid over crest and left 9 down. Right 9. And left 7 plus up half long. Right 9 and left 7 plus up half long. And very slippy. Right 6 opens. Right 6 opens here. And right 6 tightens to 4. 30, caution, icy brake, crest, and left 4. Beat, caution, icy brake, crest, and left 4. And right 7 half long. We right 7 half long. Left 8 over crest. 80. Flat left over crest. And left 9. And right 8. 50. Right 5 plus half long, beat right 8, 50, right 5 plus half long, don't cut. Repeat, 50, right 5 plus half long, don't cut. And left 8 opens. And left 6 plus up. Stay right into 2 small crests and 30. This is the left 6 plus up, right 7. Stay right into 2 crests, 30, stay right over crest down, left 8 onto tarmac. Stay right over crest, left 8 onto tarmac. And right 7 at junction. 50, the right 7 at junction here. Very nice. Good. 50, left 9 over small crest. 30, late right 7, 100 line. Be late right 7, 100 line. Flat left, 30 up. Left 8 over crest and right 8. Repeat, flat left, 30 up, left 8 over crest and right 8. Left 8 over crest and right 8 into crest and crest left 8. Repeat, right 8 into crest and crest left 8. 80. Right 8 half long. Stay in on exit. Repeat, right 8 half long, stay in on exit. Into left 9 and left 8 and bridge. Repeat, left 9 and left 8. And bridge 50, left 6, 50, repeat, left 6 here, 50.
Slippery brake.
Right 8, tightens to 7 late. Right 8 tightens to 7 late, 30. Flat right over crest, tightens late. 30, flat right over crest, 100. Left 8 over crest tightens, and left 8.
Left what?
Left 8 over crest tightens,
Yep.
and left 8. 100. So tightens, and then another left 8, and then 100. Easy. Good save. So 100, left 8 here, 100. Stay mid over small crest, 100. Stay mid right over second small crest, 150 down. So mid over the small crest, and 100. Stay mid right over this crest here, 150 down. Stay right over third crest, 100. So that's up there. Repeat, stay right over crest, 100. Care, brake, flat left into right 8. Be right over crest, 100. Care, brake, flat left into right 8. 50 down. Repeat, right 8, 50 down. Right 7, stay in. Into left 8, tightens little. Be right 7, stay in. Into left 8, tightens little. 50. Flat left. Into right 9 over crest, stay in. Into left 8, tightens to 6 plus after crest. Be right 9 over crest, stay into left 8, tightens to 6 plus after this crest. 30. Right 6 plus, 250. Right 8 and left 8 up, 30. Repeat, right 8 here and left 8 up, 30. Crest and right 9 over crest down, be 30 crest and right 9 over crest down. Right 9 over crest down, 300 line. Left 9 over crest, 50, right 8. Repeat, left 9 over crest, 50, right 8. Into crest, 80 down, left 9. And right 8 half long ends after small crest. Repeat, right 8 half long ends after small crest. And left 9 over small crest. 50, left 9, and right 9, into left 9, turn, right 7 opens. Right 7 opens there at the junction. 50, right 8 up ends into crest. Flat left, or be right 8 up ends into crest, flat left. 50, right 8 over crest, half long down, be flat left. 50, right 8 over crest, half long down. And left 8 long, tightens to 6 plus late. 30, tightens to 6 plus late, 30. Stay mid right over crest. Very icy. Mid right over crest and left 8 half long. And flat right, 80. Right 8 into crest and down left 8. 30, right 8 at junction opens, 50. Care, late right 6 into bridge. 50 care, right 6 late into bridge. Late right 6 into bridge. Flat right. And left 8 up opens and tightens late. Repeat, flat right and left 8 up opens and tightens late. 30. Right 8 opens grip maybe. Repeat, tightens late. 30. Right 8 opens grip maybe. And right 8. 50 line up. Left 6 long tightens. Be left 6 long tightens and right 8 through finish. Beat end right 8 through finish. Good. And another skating rink. Fuck
Yeah,
me.
wasn't better.
It really froze overnight.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Good driving though, man. Very good driving.
Yeah, good notes.